turning using G00 and G01. Write CNC program for given workpiece as shown below. So this is the diagram. We have initially 30 mm diameter, 70 mm length blank. It should be turned to 20 mm diameter up to a length of 50 mm. So we have process plan. The operation is plane turning. Tool selected is P1 having required specification. Cutting parameters are speed, feed and depth of cut are given as 260 and 1 mm depth of cut. See, in this cutting action, G00 and G01 code are using. So in each cutting action, there are four movements of tools. First, starting from G00, depth of cut is giving. G01, tool moving in horizontal direction, cutting action will be there, metal removal taking place. G01, tool moving vertical direction, cutting action is there, metal removal take place. Then again G00, tool move to start point. So one complete cycle consists of 4 tool movements, that is G00, G01, G01, G00. So this is the required program, and we are going to simulate this program using Cutviewer turn software. So this is Cutviewer turn. File, new, Fanuc. So here you have to type the program 01234. This is program name G21, G97, G98. G21 is metric programming and G97 is constant surface speed and G98 is feed per minute. G28 U0 W0. That is reference point return. M06 T1. T1 tool is selected. M03 X200. Spindle start clockwise having a speed of 200. M08 coolant. So every program consists 3 blocks: a startup block, programming block and an end of block. So this is startup block. See, this is almost same for all programs. Then N01 G00 X0 Z1. N02 G00 X0 Z0. Run rebuild. So we have several tools are available here: standard, button, groove, thread, drill. So in this I am selecting standard tool, having the specification is 40, 25, 0, 10, 3. 40, 25, 0, 10, 3. Okay. Diameter 30 and diameter length 70. Okay. So this is a stock material. We can see the stock material in 3-dimensional form and 2D form. So N03 G00 X29 Z0. So here we are giving the depth of cut. You can see that. Then N04 G01 X29 Z minus 50 F60. First cut. N05 G01 X29 X30 Z minus 50 F60. Then N06 G00 X30 Z0. Okay, So in each cutting action, there are four stages, four-stage tool movement. First given depth of cut, that is this, N03, G00X29 set 0. Then tool move in horizontal direction, cutting action will take place, G01X29 set minus 50 F60. Then tool move in vertical direction, this metal removal taking place or cutting taking place, G01X30 set minus 50 F60. Last one, tool return to start position, that is G00X30 set 0. So this is programming block. Then G28U0W0, tool move to reference point. M05 spindle stop. M09 coolant off. M38 chuck open. M10 M38 door open. M10 chuck open. M30 program and then rewind. So this is known as end of block. G28U0W0, M05. M05 means spindle stop. M09 coolant off. M38 door open. M10 chuck open. M30 program and then rewind. You can see that.